In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create schedule in ClickUp. We'll start by opening ClickUp in your browser and signing in. Once you're in, head to the space where your project or teamwork lives. Spaces are the big containers in ClickUp, so choose the one that holds the tasks you want to schedule. Inside that space, open the list you're working from. Lists are perfect for organizing tasks by project, sprint, or topic, and they're the best place to add scheduling details you can sort and filter later. With your list open, look across the top of your task table and scroll to the far right of the columns. Click the plus button labeled Add Column. This is where you can add custom fields and key task properties that make planning easier. In the field picker, use the search bar and type Due Date. You should see the Due Date option appear. Select it to enable this field in your list. If you already see due date in your layout, you can still use this step to make sure it's active and visible. Next, you'll be prompted to enter a name. This is the column label that shows above your tasks. You can keep it as due date or give it a name that matches your workflow, like schedule or deadline. Clear naming helps everyone on the team understand exactly what this column is for. When you're happy with the name, click Create to add the column to your list. Now it's time to set your date and time. Click into the new due date cell for a task. A calendar will pop up where you can choose the exact day the work is due. If you need more precision, expand the time picker to set the hour and minute. Adding a time is especially helpful for handoffs, meetings, or same-day priorities, and it ensures notifications fire when you expect them to. Repeat this for each task you want on your schedule. A few quick tips as you go. Keep your team's time zone in mind so reminders land at the right moment, and use consistent naming across lists so filters and reports stay clean. Once your due dates are in place, you can sort your list by the due date column to see what's coming up first, and you'll have a clear, reliable schedule baked right into your everyday task view. That's it. You've added a due date column, named it to fit your process, created it, and set precise dates and times for your tasks, giving you a streamlined, visible schedule in ClickUp.